Hey guys, welcome to my hop patch. Come harvest some hops with me today. These gardeners are hops, aka the wonderful flowers that give beer its flavor. The IBU rating that you see on your bottle of craft is directly related to the amount of strong flavored hops. Hops come in different varieties, and these two varieties are Tettnang and Saaz. In my hop patch, the Saaz grows along the fence, and the Tettnang grows along my Tettnang tower. That's that monolith that I built with the 4x4s and some rolled up fencing. If you add a handful of this and a handful of that to your 5 pounds of wheat and 5 pounds of Pilsner and get some German ale yeast, you can make a nice strong Hefeweizen, about 5 gallons worth to be exact. It's about an 8-week process, and there's a lot more to it than just throwing stuff into a bucket. But after you get through with all that, you get 5 gallons of really good Hefeweizen. If you're interested in brewing beer, visit your local homebrew shop. I got the rootstock for these two at ours, and usually if the shop doesn't have some on hand, they'll point you to who does. The one thing I love about hops, besides what you can make with them, is that they're really easy to grow. Just some irrigation and a sunny spot and they will go wild. Another nice thing about hops is that they're annuals, so they'll die off every year and come back from the rootstock. Cleanup can be a chore, breaking off the dried vines and raking up all the thatch, but it's only once a year, and I don't always do it even. So taking off some of the vines while you harvest is a pretty good idea, and as you can see here, that's what I'm doing. Now if you're going to brew right away, the best flavor comes fresh from the vine. But if you aren't going to brew the same day, the hops will keep in the fridge for about 3 days, and they'll keep in the freezer for about a year. It's best to throw them out after that. I'm going to freeze these, so first I'll dry them out slightly. A day outside on some paper towels will keep the frostbite away and let the creepy crawlies leave the buds. You can brew bug beer, but it might change your flavor profile. So that's hops in a nutshell. I'll do a brewing video later with these. If you like brewing beer, get out and grow some hops today. If you don't, grow something else. No big whoop.